Okay, so now we're going to drive through the center of Quincy. You can see some of the buildings here. Completely covered with snow. Not really too many cars out right now. Even though they say the afternoon should pick up a little bit. As far as, you know, the better conditions and these guys cleaning out the center of town. That cars parking, snow emergency. They're going to be towed later on. People just pulled on the side of the road. It's totally not the place you want to be. But look at that. Look at the center of Quincy there. Oh, just slammed. Absolutely slammed. Both sides. Oh, this is respectable. A respectable storm. Got the green. The roads are pretty clear through the center of town. As you get to some of the side streets, or even looking off to some of the side streets, you can see that everything's just packed. Look at that, huh? Look at the trees over there just surrendering. I mean, they're just beat up. Little Bird King right in front. Usually it takes about, I would say a good 3 to 4 minutes to get to work. But today there was a good hour and a half of shoveling. And a little bit of snowplow work today to get out on the roads. And as you can see, there's not a lot of people out here. I mean, you're getting a smattering here and there, but on any typical Monday, you would get, you know, at least 5 to 10 minutes worth of traffic. I can't even see these lights. Look at this. These lights I can't even see. Can't even see. Guys walking around the middle of the street. It's all good. You let me go. Yeah, so some of the lights, I don't know, I don't even know if they're working or not. They're gonna be cleaned off because the snow blew right in there where you can't even see the colors, what's coming up. So you just gotta be careful, and you know, especially, I mean, pedestrians are not too much out there. That one guy that was out there, but I haven't seen too many people out there walking the street, which is good. Again, look at all the trees to the left and right. Coming up on another set of lights. I think you might be able to see this one. It might be green. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's one you can barely see. You can see a little bit of green tint on the bottom, but it's just like the sign's like hanging down. Can't even see this sign, so like if you didn't know where you were going and there's a big sign for the highway right there, you wouldn't know whether to go right or left. Totally get lost. End up going the wrong way on the highway. That's the last thing that you want to do. Coming around to Quincy Adams T station now. Now this is a super busy intersection up here, but again, nothing really going on. All I see is look at these trucks going on over here. They got the lights. I don't even know. Is this red, green, yellow? I don't even know what this is. Can't see anything. We go going to the highway now. Again, signs are just completely wind-blown with snow. Look at that, going to Boston, Canton. Now this is Cape Cod and Braintree up here. I'm going to go towards the Cape. Look at this, huh? Now, like I said again, on Monday morning, I mean, this road would be just absolutely jammed, bumper to bumper. But there is nobody here right now. The highways look pretty clear. I don't see too much traffic on the highway, so if you're looking at getting out there today, it doesn't look that bad here. It's just the side roads once again. Just looking behind me. Pretty clear. It's still snowing a little bit. I guess this is the light, fluffy stuff that's going to give us probably about 3 to 4 more inches. So looking at 20 plus, which is respectable. Again, you're not reading these signs. Coming up. 55, 60. I'm just gonna go slow. Go about 50. Let these guys pass me, because what's happening now is this wetness that's on the ground right now is gonna turn back to ice. Once that turns to ice, you're gonna basically have no stopping abilities. I'm looking at Best Buy right now. It looks like there's probably about 10 cars in the parking lot. Kmart. Going into Braintree now. Let's see what's up. Look at the trees. It's covered. Nasty as can be. Big plows out in front of us. Another reason to go slow. I mean, look at this guy here, almost totally ripped out that plow. I mean, I tell you, that little car right there, that Toyota, it wouldn't have lasted. I mean, that plow would have killed it. The size of that thing, huh? That's a plow. Braintree's doing a good job. Let me tell you, I think the roads in Braintree look far superior to the roads we just had in Quincy, as far as like just being clean. I can see that they're well salted. Okay, last corner here. Saw a lot of people spinning out over here at night, but looks like they put down some good salt. But right on this corner, every time on this corner, like people just totally fly around this corner and it goes out of control because there's so much ice there for everybody turning. Look at the piles of it, huh? Look at that, huh? See, that's a good 5 feet worth of a bank. Slam into that sucker. There we go. It's getting a little hairy in here. So it looks like they did a good job plowing it out. But still nasty. I don't know why anybody would be at Kmart today. Like, what are you doing at like 8 o'clock in the morning saying, you know, I think I should shovel out. I gotta shovel out early in the morning. I get it to Kmart, yeah. I gotta get my Fruit of the Looms at Kmart. Yeah, I like Fruit of the Loom. Wapner, he's on it. He's on at 7, yeah, Wapner. All right, what do we got here? I got a little hoop-de-doo going around here. Coming around the corner. Oh, look at this, nasty. Oh, nasty. Let's see what our parking lot looks like here. Oh, done. Look at this. 12 cars in the parking lot. Yeah. Gotta go to Best Buy. First thing in the morning. Shovel out my car to go to Best Buy. Alright, we're here. Party's over.